On. Come on. Come on, where are you? Whoa. Huli. Total na huli. Nakadalawa pa si JMC. Ang galing, oh. So, good morning mga ka-shares. We're here at Turaga Beach. There's some rules that you can take. Pati Point Preserve restriction. So, one keynote for fishing over here, hook and line from the shore is the only inshore fishing method allowed. So we're good to go, except for you cannot collect shells. The use of gap and the removal of sand and rocks are prohibited. Alright. No nets, no coral taking, no crab taking, and no spear fishing. Alright. So we're at, it's a little map in there, Pati Point Preserve. There's a preserve area over here, and you can see that one, and then there's the Turaga Beach. Alright, and some more maps over here mga ka-share, like you can if you are first time fishing over here in Turaga Beach, also you need a fishing permit to fish in this area. So some maps and trails, seaward leg of Turaga Embayment Nature Trail. So there's a trail from Turaga Beach that you can walk, that yellow line to Serena Beach. So over here are reef, cannot go over there. Alright, very dangerous. And then here's the Pacific Ocean. So whatever fish we caught over here came from Pacific Ocean. There's a clip line. So here we are over here, Turaga Beach, and then we're planning to like walk along that coastline. Alright, we'll see if we can catch something later. Shore fishing, I know it's shallow, but I know it's I also know it's gonna be high tide going low tide right now. So we're gonna be fishing with JMC again. Tag along with him in a little bit. I'm still waiting on him. But anyhow, I'm all set. All we need to do is go to the beach and let's go fishing. Alright, see you at the beach. Some of my water lures. Ayan, dumating na si JMC Fishing. Let's go. Ayan, dyan ka lang pa-parking. Sa gitna lang ako nagpa-parking. Kasi wala ka lang mapipishing pag low tide eh. Masyadong mababa tubig. Pa low tide pa lang. Hindi naman masyadong bababa tubig. Alas 8. Eto bro, pwede ka na mag-fishing dyan, pero wala akong masyadong nahuhuli. Hindi ka lang pwede mag-fishing dun sa may buoy na area. Hindi ka pwede mag-fishing dyan. Pero 50 feet away, okay lang papunta dun. Pero dito tayo dadaan para dun tayo sa walang masyadong pumupunta. After dun sa buoy, swimming area yun eh. After dun sa buoy, pwede ka na naman. Pero after dun, mga ilang meters lang.
Layo din pa pala nito pa, pakunting pala.
Oo, pwede ka pumunta dun sa dulo, pero merong area doon na private property, hindi ka pwede pumasok. Pero pwede rin mag-fishing doon, may nahuli na rin ako sa una. Oo. Ha? Hindi naman private property, basta hindi ka sa private property. Yun lang naman ang rule of thumb dito. Huwag ka magpipishing sa swimming area at saka sa private property. Yun lang dapat mo malaman. Diba, aga pa lang, exercise na. Yung tubig dito parang treated yan din. So expected na yung mga isda parang treated yan din mahuli mo. Ha?
5K.
Anong 5K? Oo. Hindi, 2K lang ako. Kasama yung pamilya eh. Pero kaya ko yung 5K. Ano, first 100 kami. Naka free t-shirt. Meron raffle yun. Di naman kami nanalo sa raffle eh. Ano, $450 travel voucher. Pwede ba dito? Eto, trail to bro. Na pwedeng lakarin, exercise. Kasama na exercise. Yan. Pwede ka na mag-start dito. So tignan mo, problema lang. Pagka low tide, puro bato yan eh. Medyo mababaw. Kaya doon ako banda. Bakit? Ano to? Maputla. Pale crab is still alive. Oh. Susunod si JMC Fishing sa atin dito. Yun, mahaba-habang lakaran. Kita po natin gamit natin mga kasyero. Yan, floater. Baka kasi sumabit tayo. Pero lumulubog din siya eh. When you reeling it, still going down. Tayo sa kabila. Go to the other side. Kalit po tayo ng ano mga ka-sir, rig. Try po tayo ultralight today mga ka-share. Si JMC. Fish on. Come on. Come on, where are you? Uy. Yun, fish on. Ang hirap naman ng light tackle. Huwag ka mapuputol. Come on, uy. Big. Dibali. Malaki. Come on. Here. There you go mga ka-sir. Fish on. Hinabol niya yun. Yan mga ka-sir, oh. Big trevally. One down. Hinabol niya mga ka-sir, oh. Good size. Ayan, oh. Ayos. Rock and roll. Small fish on mga ka-share. So yan gamit natin mga ka-share, oh. Naninibago ako sa light tackle. Hirap lumaban. Naman, fishy. On na tayo. Fish on. Yan mga ka-share, oh. Fish on. Ayan, di namin zero. May huli na si JMC. Ako may huli na rin. First bite niya. Di nakuhanan, sayang. Kala ko naka-on ako. Dislodge, kailangan pala i-check pagka from time to time nag-iwala yung ultralight natin, hindi tayo sanay. Alright, let's fix this first. Fishing adventure mga ka-share. This is really a fishing adventure. Ang tatalim ng mga coral. So when you fish over here mga ka-share, be careful, okay? I'm gonna try a couple of casting. pala mag-fishing mga ka-share. I think we're gonna matatalim ang corals. Alright, adventure. Talaga naman pag-fishing, oh. So, top of the rock. Nasa ibabaw tayo ng mga bato mga ka-share. Relax po muna tayo. Baka last spot na po natin yan. Just enjoying the view. Lipat na, lipat. Alright, going back. Lipat kami doon mga ka-share. So try namin, baka on the way may kumagat pa. Right? Kita mo ba? Ayan o yung may temp. Uy! Malon! Ayan o, nandito no. Kita mo ba? Ayan o, mahaba di ba? Hindi ko masyadong makita, maano eh. Nakita ko lang pumasag. Oh, huli. Ha? Yung mga sir, baka malapit na tayong buwi. Wala na masyadong kagat. Don't really have a good bite, but we'll see. Uy, birds. On the way there, we'll see if we can still catch something. Try it. Let's try and try. Lipat tayo sa Serena Beach mga sir. Wala nang huli dun sa ano, Tarage. So Serena Beach and Tarage is close to each other. If you wanna check that one out, feel free. As long as you got a permit, fish, you're good to go. Alright, we'll fish here for like an hour. And then there's bite. Good to go. Alright, let's rock and roll. Fish on. Yung matatanggal. Gilly. Gilly. Uy, it's a gilly. Small gilly. Yan, no? Alis natin to. na-release mga ka-share. Uy, yun, na-release na. Na-release na siya. Quick release. That's it mga ka-share. So maybe next time again. I only cut gilly over here. Nothing more, so it's getting hot now. I don't want to get burned by the sun, but there's always next time. Alright, total na huli. Nakadalawa pa si JMC. Ang galing oh. Ito yung huli ko, mas malaking kanya. Tapos may cigarettes pa. Uy, buhay pa oh. Gusto mo ba mag-fishing? Fishing ka pa.
Kaya alis na tayo, sabi mo eh. Next time na lang ulit.
Ayan o, total o. Ang gamit niya o, ultralight. Ito gamit mo? Ulit naman.
5 grams.
Ano? Kala ko tapos na yung video, hindi pa pala. May pahabol pa siya no. May libreng pole holder pa. Alright, next time again. Hope you like this video.